At Montgomery College, we offer an exceptional education that opens doors to transformative experiences, meaningful opportunities, and bright futures. Celebrated nationally for our outstanding graduation rates and impressive returns on investment, we deliver tangible results that underscore our deep commitment to student success. Our innovative curriculum prepares students to excel in vibrant, evolving fields such as biotechnology, healthcare, information technology, and skilled trades. At Montgomery College, life and learning go hand in hand. Our flexible schedules and comprehensive support empower students to succeed. Our dynamic college thrives as a community marked by inclusivity, collaboration, and mutual respect, inviting students to celebrate their diverse strengths and aspirations. At Montgomery College, every employee plays a role in student success. Guided by the care and expertise of dedicated faculty and staff, students build rewarding careers, achieve personal fulfillment, and accomplish extraordinary outcomes.